the Christmas story. Once upon a time, there was a little puppy that was really lonely. He didn't have any friends, and the snow was his bed. His biggest dream was to have a friend. And then one time, he went out of the snow.
Why is it so cold without the snow? Even the snow is really cold. When will it be summer? When will it be the summer? So cold. I'm so cold.
So the puppy went and went and went until the puppy saw something.
Woof. Why is it not so cold now? Woof. Why is there so much flowers? They're so nice and fluffy. Wait, why is there a house? I'm scared. What if the owner is really bad? Oh, I'm scared. Well, what if there was a friend? But first, I want to be in those cute flowers. This is the first time I found flowers that are so colorful in winter. Look, so much colors. There is pink, purple, yellow, dark blue, and white, blue, red, brown, and very much more colors. But what about the house? I'm really scared to go there. I'm also really hungry. Why do I have such feeling to go there? Well, I guess I should go.
He went and went until he reached a house.
Oh, I'm really scared to knock. Should I knock? I'm really scared. Well, I guess I should try.
Yes?
Wait, somebody answered. Wow, are you a reindeer?
Yes. Hi.
Hi. Why are you so big?
Well, because I'm the biggest reindeer, and I don't know, but I'm the biggest reindeer.
What if there is more big reindeers like you?
Well, I don't think so. Well, do you want to come in?
Of course, I should come in because I'm cold.
What are you waiting then for? Come on in. So, should we be friends?
Really? You want to be my friend?
Why not?
Well, because nobody wants to be my friend. Everybody thinks that I'm too small for their band. And nobody wants to be friends with me. That is why.
Well, you're big enough for me.
Well, because you just met me. You don't know me. Maybe you will not like me.
How do I think? Well, I don't know. Maybe I will be your friend.
I wish so. Well, yes.
Okay, so now we're friends. Do you want some hot chocolate?
That would be great because I'm kind of cold.
Okay, so come to my kitchen.
Okay.
So that is the story. Even though if you're little and nobody wants to be friends with you and it's winter and you're cold, you'll always find a solution.